I gotta open these quietly. Can I help you? What was that noise? I don't know. Are there snacks back there? Why would you think that? Give me some. Fine. I can finally eat them now. More. But they're mine. I said more. No more. 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 He'll never eat this. More. That's so gross. More. The bag's almost empty. Just give me the whole bag. But I haven't had any yet. Now. You're a monster. Stupid kid. I'm so hungry. Can we stop for food? We have food at home. Are you kidding me? More.